Today I'm going to show you how to find the Fusion 360 error log and explain what it's actually used for when something goes wrong in the software. If Fusion 360 crashes, fails to connect, or shows unusual errors, the error log is one of the most useful places to look for answers. These logs store technical details about what the software was doing when the issue happened. Knowing where to find them can make troubleshooting much easier, especially if you're working with Autodesk support or trying to diagnose a problem yourself. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Fusion 360 guides. Now let's jump in. First, let's quickly understand what a Fusion 360 error log actually is. An error log is a file that records technical information about problems that occur while Fusion 360 is running. Whenever the software experiences a crash, a connection failure, or another unexpected issue, Fusion writes details about that event into these log files. These records help developers and support teams understand what happened behind the scenes. Instead of guessing what caused the issue, the log provides a timeline of events that led to the problem. Inside the Fusion error logs, you'll usually find several types of useful information. This includes system information about your computer, details about the exact version of Fusion 360 you're running, and specific error messages or error codes generated by the software. The logs can also record network and login activity, which helps identify problems with cloud connections or authentication. In addition, if Fusion crashes or fails to load a component, the logs will often capture the exact moment that failure occurred along with technical details that help identify the cause. Now let's go step by step and locate the Fusion 360 error log on a Windows computer. First, completely close Fusion 360 if it is currently running. This ensures the log files are saved properly. Next, open File Explorer on your computer. In the address bar, navigate to the following location: c:\users\your username /appdata/local/autodesk/Autodesk Fusion. Inside this folder, you'll see several directories related to Fusion. Look for folders named logs or web services logs. These folders contain the error log files generated by Fusion 360. You can open these files using a text editor to review the information recorded during crashes or errors. So what are these logs actually used for? Error logs are mainly used for diagnosing crashes, troubleshooting login or network issues, and identifying system or graphics driver problems. If Fusion fails to start, freezes during operations, or cannot connect to Autodesk services, the logs often contain clues about what caused the issue. They are especially helpful when submitting a support request to Autodesk because support engineers can analyze the logs to pinpoint the exact problem. Here's a quick tip to keep in mind. Fusion 360 error logs contain detailed technical information, so they're usually most useful for advanced troubleshooting or when you're working with Autodesk support. If you're asked to send logs during a support case, these are the files they typically need. And that's it. Now you know what Fusion 360 error logs are, what information they contain, and exactly where to find them on your computer. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials.